Welcome to this guided meditation to meet your future self. You can close your eyes at any time if you wish to do so. Get into a sitting position, making your spine straight and holding your head balanced above your body. If you would rather get into a relaxing position, you can do so. Either way, you can relax and enjoy this meditation. Start by observing what your mind is thinking and what thoughts are passing by. Watch your thoughts as if they are not your own, but more like cable TV, presenting things to you that are out of your control. Just watching what comes up in your mind and seeing. Notice how your thoughts flow from one thing to another. Take a gentle, deep breath. Watch your thoughts again, but this time I'll be giving you something for you to concentrate on. Imagine that you're in a beautiful forest that is lush and green. The air is fresh and gently blowing. You can smell the scent of the forest. It's crisp and natural. Maybe a rainstorm passed by recently that you can still sense. This is your forest, and you are completely safe here. There is nothing but beauty surrounding you. Look around and notice the details of your forest. You can see the leaves on the trees and the sun overhead. Take a nice deep breath in of this clean air, feeling yourself relax even more. You notice a pathway through the woods. It is welcoming and mysterious. You go down this path and see the scenery change as you walk. There are birds flying overhead and landing in the branches. You can hear their song as if they are singing just for you. There are little mosses and rocks around the forest floor. Little bugs are moving around on the fallen logs, helping with the decomposition of the wood back to soil. There are unique mushrooms growing in places. Some are delicate and colourful, and others are large and dense. You come up to a big tree that has a little door at its base. This door is a portal into the future, so open this lovely door and go through it. On the other side there, you find yourself in front of a clear and pristine lake. The water is still like glass, and you can see far to the other side of the lake in the distance, soaring up into great mountains dusted in snow. Sit down beside the lake and listen. The serene sounds of nature are so inviting and nourish your soul. Far in the distance, there is a beautiful red canoe floating in your direction. You can see there is a figure in the canoe, shrouded in cream-colored clothing. You can sense the goodness of this individual. The boat draws to the shore where you are, and the person gets off the boat with ease. It is you. Your future self is radiating with confidence and peace. They sit down with you beside the lake and you gaze out upon the water together. Now listen to the important information they show to you that will guide you towards your highest potential. Ask your future self any questions. They know all of the answers. Now it's time to become one with your future self. So get on the canoe together and push off from the shore. As you row into the beauty of this landscape, you slowly become one with your future self. You are united and feel complete. You now have all the knowledge you need to be guided into an abundant future. In a moment, you will open your eyes, feeling the joy of this experience coming into your present life. In your own time, become aware of your surroundings. Breathe in deeply. You are ready to achieve anything. Thank you.